For our last exercise we will do mom 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 on an octave scale. And the reason why I kept it for the last exercise is because normally this is a bread and butter of all the vocal exercises. You do it all the time out there. But I was doing it wrong for years. You know, they make you do it like this. Mom 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 mom. Which is beside transitioning from the chest voice to the head voice, completely pointless, because this exercise is designed to train your compression. And to train your compression, you need all these prerequisites before, you know, all these elements we trained already. So we started with the crying, right? With the drowning exercise to really zip up the vocal cords. You need to open your throat by yawning or keeping the yawning sensation in the back of your throat. Your support goes like crazy when you do it correctly, works like crazy. And then doing this exercise correctly sounds like this. That's the correct sound, and that's what makes you that's what makes this exercise efficient, right? Like my support at the top note, look. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm really working for it at the top note. So this is our last exercise, and I want you to remember about all the things we were doing before this one, right? So start a note with the vocal fry, cry, open the jaw vertically. You can use your hands to help yourself. Use a lot of support in a fluid manner. Open your throat, breathe correctly, of course. And with all that, this exercise is a very good way to train your voice, you know, but this is why I kept it for the last exercise. There's a lot of things that go into that. So let's just go and to the demonstration, right? See me do that in the correct manner, and then there will be your turn.